Whoa, what's happening? Eat. Anticipation. Merged. Yeah? BTC is up too. Everything is up. The whole market is green, man. Check this out. Juicy green. Anon, what's happening? Why is Celsius up 120%? Bunch of you were discussing the short squeeze. What happened? What am I missing here? Oh, again, Hex is up. Wow. Nice Ponzi. And Link. Yeah, Link. Solid. What else is there? Quant is there. Of course, ETC is up. Look at this. I missed it. It was a great flip. By the way, my cat in the background, they're going nuts. They're playing. It's their birthday month. So I want to just let them do whatever they want to do, you know, spend their time, enjoy. So excuse the background noise, shenanigan. I'll try to keep it straight to the point. All right. So ladies and gents, without wasting much time, welcome back. Exploring Crypto, episode 8. Today, in this episode, I'm going to just go over the crypto market and see what's happening, any notable stuff presented to you. And on top, I want to talk about, just real quick, you have our favorite Ponzi, Finance 2.0 is back. Now it's on Polygon. Yeah, this is what you call an expansion. You, well, jump ship, all right? Let your previous stuff on Cronos die. Now build a new one on another ecosystem. So I don't want to talk much about this. I have created several videos, and if you're interested, and if you're not an ignorant, if you're not one of those who use Mad Meerkat NFTs as a profile picture to hide, because of course, hey, keyboard warriors, that's all they know. And how do you defend a Ponzi? You want to support a Ponzi? Do it privately, I guess, yeah? You defend a Ponzi publicly? That's what I said. Show me who you are so we can have a proper debate or conversation. And I'll give you a platform where you can actually come and speak and defend. Provide all the, defend all the allegations on Finance and see what you got. I don't see any. It's all people behind Mad Meerkat NFTs and just typing and typing and typing. Oh no, he lost a lot of money. That's why he's talking nasty about this project. Oh, I answered that. All right, so you don't ask me this silly question all the time. Here, where is this? You still here? You see this? You lost money and now you're bashing this project? Watch that video. I explain it. No, I don't care. All right, it's just the right thing to do. If it's a Ponzi, it's the right thing to do. Take a stand and tell, and spread awareness and tell people it's a Ponzi. No, it's not a Ponzi. Whatever, dude. And here, I'm not going to talk about this. I actually covered this yesterday on Rebel Uncensored. If you're interested, check it out. I don't know. I wanted to actually do it on this channel. I don't know why I did it on another channel. I actually wanted to keep this clean. Even in this episode, I'm trying to keep it PG-13, yo. All right? If you want to get dirty and raw, if you're interested in all the drama and some good stuff and also nasty stuff, I invite you, Rebel Uncensored. All right? So now, let's see what's happening. And please, do not take advice from any animals. Meerkats. How do you take advice from meerkats? Dude. Alright, so be aware. I don't want to go through this again. There are a lot of red flags. None of them were answered. It just, hey, ignore everything. Launch. Just keep launching. Because what happened to the game? The mad game? I guess there's not much money in there right now. Since Polygon is popping, so let's just bridge it to Polygon. What happened to the people holding bags? The loyal bag holders on Cronos? It's alright. You guys suck. Stay there. We just need new suckers in the Polygon ecosystem now. How difficult is it to understand? I mean, dude, bunch of you defending the Ponzi. Are you gonna teach this to your kids? Or, I mean, where's your mom and dad? They need to spank you. Like a bitch slap. For real. Anyways, all right, so let's see what happens. 14 hours left. Look at the degen move, 6.9 million already, almost 700%. Of course, I don't doubt this. I mentioned this in the previous video. This is how it is. Degen gamblers, right? And of course, don't forget the whales, the insiders. They have millions. So just to put my own money, let's say I put 3 million from my own pocket, you know, to attract more plebs. Oh my God, 3 million? A lot of people interested. Let me put more money. And that's it. So anyways, if you get in, let me know how it went out for you, okay? And what else? Let's see. Do we have anything else? All right, let's see if there's anything notable. Anyways, what else do we have? Peter Schiff talks on Bitcoin, warns 10,000. Not good. Irrelevant. He's been saying this forever. But, well, he could be right. The founder of MakerDAO intends to sell 3.5 billion USDC backing for Ethereum, endangering the peg. Wow, what was this? This seems like it's been popping. Again, another stable. Co-founder of MakerDAO intends to exchange up to 3.5 billion in USDC for Ethereum. Why? Because Ethereum is popping? The revelation cost a Maker's token from MakerDAO dropped 4%. Well, I don't know if I should be concerned right now. They've been seeing stables and all that collapse. And of course, Ethereum is popping. Ethereum is really strong right now. Anticipation for the merge, right? It doesn't hurt to DCA and Ethereum, Matic, Bitcoin. However, I'm looking at Cosmos ecosystem. You guys know this, right? Wherever I can stake and earn, and without a doubt, Juno EVMOS has been holding strong for a while. I like it. They're blockchains. They're not shit tokens like MMF. MMF has no value. It's not a blockchain on its own. And the insiders know that the only way they can make billions, and because they have the control over this token and ecosystem, they can't do this in other chains, in our Cosmos and stuff, because they don't have full control. The insiders, they have full control over what they're going to do here. That's the problem. All right. What else do we have? SEC is looking into Coinbase. SEC has been looking into Coinbase for so long. And Coinbase has been not my favorite exchange anymore. Well, it never was. I use Crypto.com for on and off fiat. Also, Kraken and KuCoin. There are several others. I keep it as a backup option. All right. Let's see this. Suspected Tornado Cash. I mentioned this. Not a good news, but at the same time, worse news for scammers and money launderers. But I understand the privacy. I mentioned it's a right. But what can you do? MailChimp bans a slew of crypto companies according to their no crypto policy. You know, when I say what can you do? If you don't do stuff, we adjust. Focus on what you can control. All right? And oh my God, Facebook has changed their UI. It looks so shitty now. Yes, after a day, 2-3 days. Oh, awesome. I'm so used to this now. After a year, again, the change. Oh, I'm not used to this change. Yo, human beings adapt and change all the time. What is this? OpenSea changes its policy, requires a police report to freeze NFTs. Wow. Oh, check this out. Coinbase stopped sending price notifications during crypto crash. When it pumps, same thing with Crypto.com. You see notifications, right? Yeah, I just seen it even earlier on. ETH is pumping. Check it out. DCA into ETH. But okay, when it crashes, we talks about it. The CEO Alex Mashinsky reportedly sells off some of his sell holdings during price increase and attempt to short squeeze. What? He himself? Bro, horrible. Heartbeat Crypto Exchange suspends trading due to criminal investigation. Oh my God. And people still think, you know, I wanted to share quite a bunch of stuff. I'm going to save it for Rebel Uncensored. Right? I wanted to share, literally. I enjoy doing this, man. You guys, some of the real people who wants to know the game, this is for you, all right? The ones who have basically no skills, that depend on new investors, suckers, to pump their bags. That's the only way they can make money. Because these people, these moon boys with NFTs, they have no real life skills. They can make no money. All they can do is sit in whatever basement or whatever, stuff and milk. Unbelievable. That's where we're living, right? So, yeah, I'm not here to help. Well, you know what? I'm not here to stop them because I can't, right? I'm here to educate others in not giving your money to them. That's it. I'm here to help you not lose money. Oh, he's stopping us to make money. No, no, no. I don't know if that's how you want to see it. I'm trying to help you not lose money. That's what Warren Buffett said. The number one rule, do not lose money. Number two rule, do not forget number one rule. Because if you lose money, and you know, when you're throwing money intentionally in gambling, like literally casinos, there's a probability, okay, huge probability that you're gonna lose. And when the casino is controlled by insiders, zero probability for you to win. Okay? All right. Anyways, looks like the Moon Boys and the fanboys still don't understand the way I do my things. Oh, he lost money. They're gonna come again. It's all good. I'm getting warmed up now. You know, I'm getting excited. Let's do this. All right. So again, your money, your stuff. I'm here to tell you what I'm seeing, the way I see it. All right. You do your research. You want to steal money? Go for it, because this is not trading. This over here, this is not trading. This is stealing. What do you think is going to happen again? Copy pasta. And by the way, before I end this video, after the launch pad, all right, there's a farm and everything. It'll look like it's pumping. Everything's awesome for probably quite some time, because that's how it works. If everything dumps right away, then the whole reputation goes down. It needs to be slow and steady. And there will be the same euphoria that's going to be built. Advertising on Times Square and all that stuff is going to happen. And then, before the ultimate recession, whatever, last chance, boom,